What's up, Wanderers? On today's episode, we've got ourselves a brand new power bank here. This is the Rockpals Rockpower 1300W with their 2 solar charger 100-watt solar panels. Stay tuned to see what we think of this power bank setup for overlanding. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this for you guys. Just wanted to point out a few features on this guy. It's got a bright display here. Just turn it on here. It'll show you your temperature of the power bank. So right now it's sitting at 26 degrees Celsius. We're at 100% charged. You've got 3 AC connectors here. You've got a car charger port, DC out, DC in, 60 watt for iPhones or MacBooks. And then you've got 3 USB power points right here. Now, this isn't the first time that we've used this power bank. We've had it now about a month, been testing it. We took it out to Mammoth Lakes for a couple days with some buddies, and it did great. It was hooked up to our Kick-Ass Dual Zone 75-watt fridge, and then we also took this guy out on our 2-week-long Utah and Colorado trip, which if you guys haven't seen those videos, part 1 and part 2 are out on the YouTube channel. Just check those out. But had no issues with it. Everything ran great. The solar panels really helped with adding power back into this. We also ran this guy back through the car charger while we were driving, so everything stayed super cool, and the power bank stayed powered up and juiced up, so we could keep all of our food and drinks nice and cool and no ice in sight. And I want to read you guys some of the specs right off of Rockpal's website, but there is 5 different ways that you guys can charge this power bank. 6 to 7 hours through the DC outlet right here. With the solar panels, it takes about 5 to 6 hours as well. With the other DC outlet over here, it'll take 8 to 9 hours. With a car charger right through here, it'll take about 11 hours, 12 hours. And through the USB-C, it'll take about 22 to 28 hours. Now, this whole system has an absolute security guarantee. It has a cooling fan. We have a pure sine wave. It has BMS connections, safety certificate. It has an MPPT controller, and it also has an overheat alarm. So you're not gonna run into any issues with the Rockpal 1300-watt setup here. Thought that I would do a little test for you guys. So with us today, we have our Set Power AJ50 fridge. We are gonna show you how simple it is to plug this guy in and power it up. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna run this wall unit right through there, and then we're gonna click the AC button here, wait for it to turn green, which it did, and then fridge is on here. Put it on max to get it down to, we'll put it at 37 per se. So everything's on here. We're getting ready. The compressor just turned on, so it's gonna start pulling some watts here, but we're at 100%. So I'm gonna leave this guy plugged in overnight. It's about 2 o'clock now, and I'll get up somewhere around 6 or 7 a.m. tomorrow and check what the percentage on this power bank is in the morning for you guys. All right, it is next morning. It's about 7:45. We're gonna come see what the power bank is at today. It's been running all night and it's at 99%. Everything's still on up here. We're sitting at 41. So literally from 2 p.m. yesterday to 7:45 a.m. today, we've only dropped 1%. That's absolutely insane. So obviously every bridge is going to be different. We found that the Set Power AJ50 runs really smooth and efficiently, but the Rockpals 1300 watt has been tried and true as well. So what do you guys think? Do you think that the Rockpals 1300 watt is the best solution for overlanding? Let us know down in the comments below. We sure have been loving it and will continue to use it for years on end. So hopefully you guys like that video, and until next time, we'll be wandering.